Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Polymarket account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in polymarket.com. Press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Polymarket. So Polymarket is a decentralized prediction market platform where users can bet on the outcome of real world events using cryptocurrency. So if you want to create Polymarket account, it is actually very simple. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the option for login and sign up. If you already have the account, you can click on the option login and log into your account. If you want to create the account, click on the option sign up. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the sign up methods. You can either continue with Google or you can also enter the email address in order to continue. Or you can also create your Polymarket account by directly connecting with the crypto wallets like MetaMask, etc. So simply click on the option of your choice. So for example, if you want to create the account with your email, click on the field of enter email. Now what you have to do is enter your email address over here. Now once you do that, click on the continue option. Now you can see over here a link has been sent to your email. So what you have to do is go to Gmail, go to new tab, click on the search bar, type in gmail.com, press enter. Now you can see over here the Gmail has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now over here Polymarket has sent me the email. Click on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find the link. You'll be able to see log into Polymarket button over here. Click on it. Now you'll be redirected to the magic link. Now over here what you have to do is enter the security code displayed by Polymarket. So go to the Polymarket tab. You'll be able to see the security code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to the magic link. Now simply enter that code over here. Now you can close this window. Go back to Polymarket tab. Now you can choose a username. You can update this later. So simply click on the field of username. Now enter the username that you would like to use. Now after doing that, check on this box. You're basically agreeing to the terms of use. Now what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can fund your account or you can do it later. For now, I'm just going to skip it. Now you can see over here your Polymarket account has been created. So that is how you create Polymarket account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.